Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of X Twitter. You will go to Twitter app as you see, and you will click. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until find the application of X as you see here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage. Here you will search about search engines, and then you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.